Hello guys, hello YouTube. Yes, this is KB Customs. So welcome to another one. Yes, this is my sway bar and stabilizer leakage. Yes, so today I'm going to be installing it to to my Z3. Yes, so I just got it now, so I decided to fix it right now. Yes, and show you guys how I get it done. So they are all intact. Yes. Okay, so you can see all the kit, and I will be removing the sway bar. Okay, let me get it loose. I'll get you guys back on. This is it. I get it loose all. Yes, you can see this is for front and this is for rear. So I'm going to be installing them one by one. Yes, without wasting more time, let's get into it. Yes, this is for the front. Yes, I'm going to loosen it, and putting this just like this. Sorry, my hand blocked before, so I'm going to install this and guide it like so to guide it. Yes. Putting the second one, you can see. Let's go put it like so. Yes. Like this, guiding it. Yes. Guiding it like so. Then I will install the rubber boo. Yes. No. Let's get it done. Yes, this high is going to stay. Yes, it should stay facing back like this. Yes, the iron will be facing back. Yes, the tips. Oh, yes, the tips. Yes, I don't know if I get it right. So then I put the boo, installing them like so. Yeah, facing it up. Yes, installing the second one. So removing it from the lock. Yes. Then putting the rubber, putting the iron. It doesn't matter how you fix it. Yes. See that? Then I'll drop it like this. You can see the bolt, the nut there. I'm going to lose it. This should be 12 millimeter. Yes, the second one. Then this. I'm sorry if the camera is shaking too much. I'm just using my hand. Then I'm going to put in it. No, it's not going to be difficult for me using my hands. Oh, okay. So, guys, the rubber is not here. It's here. Yes, where there is it Z or X? So I'm going to put it with my hand. Yes, I hope it will stay, but I'll hold it with my leg and guide it. Guide one side. Yeah, I'm going to guide the other side. Yes, you can see I guide it. You can see how it goes close to the U metal. So I'm going to guide this too. Yes, guide the other side. Yes, so you can see it. I guide body too. So I think it's 12 millimeters. So take spanner and tight it. Okay, it's 13 millimeter. So I'm going to tight it. So it's going to take a little time. Let me get it tight. I'll get you guys back on. I don't tight it. You can see it. So right now I'm going to put stabilizer leakage. Yes, this is it. Loosen. Okay, so I'm going to install it like this. Guide it. Oh. Guide it. Yes, guiding it. Then put this into this. Let me see if I can do it. So I have to put jack to jack it. No, I don't need to put jack, just press it down. Just want to get balanced. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. Okay, so you can see now. So put it like that, then I'll guide it. Like so. Okay. Yes. Guiding it. Guide everything. Yes. So we move on to the other side and do the same thing. See it? This, guide it using this. And press into it and guide. Yes, I guide everything. So you can see this has already been tied. This has already been tied. So I'm going to fully tie them. Yes, here we have 13 millimeter. Here we have 17, and the other side here we have 17 millimeter. So I'm going to type it on, and then I'll get you guys back on. This, as you can see, I fully tied them. Yes, they're in place. You can see how perfect it is. So right now we're going to move to the rear side.